parts of the Tamil Nadu languages, and it says the theme is innovation. And it's very kindly topic. Keep it in mind that it is doing really well. And we have a lot of people doing actually very well, but innovation has still not been a mainstream competence for them. So how do we inculcate innovation into our daily lives so that it becomes the DNA of our working methods? So, sir, what would be your message to us, Viva-ites, and the other BSOMA students so that we all collectively do well?
The way I did it was to first have my basic income. Right? So once you have a basic day-to-day requirements from everyone, right? You have time to do it. Innovation comes from, right? So, or you're very hungry and you need to survive, right? There are only two methodologies, right? And what Shivram was saying is absolutely right. The economy has to reach certain levels before the general innovation levels go up within the country. Individually also, right? You need to be really, for me, I didn't have any money. I started from zero. Right? So I had to keep on innovating myself, right, to look at the next step to arrive at where I am. Right? I never compare myself with somebody else. I never compare my company with somebody else. I always compare internally and say, what were we yesterday? Right? What am I today? What am I supposed to do tomorrow? Right? Beyond that, it's very difficult to predict what you can do, what right? It's always better to self-compare yourself. Never be watch out if somebody has a better car or better house or something. But innovation comes from a simple thinking that you need to do something better.
So innovation cannot be always a group thing.
It cannot be. Innovation can be in the car business, can be something you do in the agriculture, right? A lot of people say you can't make money out of agriculture, right? I do own a little bit of land to borrow. I make it profitable. It's only a question of dedication. Every Saturday, Sunday, I'm there. Monday through Friday, take care of the company. Saturday, Sunday, take care of my land. I go there, I'm physically available, and everybody knows I'll come. So they're all geared to work. Right? So that provides the results automatically. And since these agricultural guys are all doing the same thing for the last 100 years, when you give them some inputs, right, they listen to that and improve upon, right? When you find those 2 or 3 guys to make it happen, out of the 100 workers, only there will be 1 or 2 guys who take on and say, okay, this guy is saying something meaningful, and get on. So the observation, capacity to observe and take something good out of somebody else's observation, right, is always the basic thing for innovation. Right? I have observed, I have lived with Infosys, meaning we always partnered with Infosys over the last 20 years. Right? I've seen them grow and know all of them very well. Right? But I'm also looking at them and observing them and learning and saying, I need to put something in place like that in my company. We are doing certain things which Infosys has done. And we are finding it very, innovative way to succeed. But in our own space, we are in a different domain, they are in a different domain. But the methodologies are the same for innovation.
So how do you like the experience here at Viva Insight?
Excuse me?
How do you like the experience here at Viva Insight? The theme and
fine. It should be okay. It's my first experience.
Okay. So actually, sir, what do you think about the topic innovation? Because we thought this topic should be very appropriate to today's world. What are your views about it?
It is apt. It is apt. But at the same time, a lot of people may think about innovation in different ways. So finally, when you summarize it, somebody has to give one message.
Yes.
Right? Otherwise, people get confused and go out on things that innovation means something, innovation means something. Right? They would have come with some perspective. They're going out with multiple ideas, which is good. At the same time, they need to understand one message.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much.